Lorex has added to its nocturnal camera line with the introduction of LNE8974, an all-metal dome camera with many unique features. The 8974 is slightly larger than its sister camera, the LNE8950. Both models are 8.51 megapixel 4K cameras. These cameras offer 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p HD and use PoE, or Power over Ethernet. The single cable provides power, video, and audio. While the video quality on the 8974 is superb, the camera can also capture audio with a built-in microphone. The camera is made of solid aerospace-grade aluminum. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally, indoors or outdoors. With a sealed weatherproof lens and body, the LNE8974 is IP67 water rated and can also operate in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This camera offers a maximum night vision of 250 feet and color night vision up to 175 feet. Unique to the 8974 is a 4x optical motorized zoom, remotely accessed through the NVR. And this zoom feature allows the camera to have a field of view range from 102 to 39 degrees. The camera also features an E-shutter, which optimizes the amount of light let into the camera sensor. This camera can record at 30 frames per second, which helps to provide smooth on-screen movement. The LNE8974 uses HDR, or High Dynamic Range technology, which ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNE8974 employs HEVC, or High Efficiency Video Codec, H.265, which helps keep file sizes small, yet maintain high-quality video. The LNE8974 is an IP, or Internet Protocol camera, and is ONVIF compliant, an international open standard for IP cameras. This camera uses a SONY Exmor R CMOS sensor, considered one of the best image sensors available today. As well, the ball head allows the user to adjust the angle and direction that the camera is pointing. Included with the LNE8974 is a 100-foot Ethernet cable with a unique locking connector to prevent accidental disconnection. Lorex includes a quick start guide outlining installation options and safety precautions. A Lorex 24-hour security window decal is included with the package. A Torx key is used to adjust the camera ball head. The unique design of the Torx head bolt helps to dissuade vandalism. Hollow wall anchors and screws are also part of the Lorex package, as well as a mounting template. The LNE8974 Nocturnal 4K professional grade camera produces crisp images for your security needs.